Hello, my name is Talbert Gwynn. I host a group called Ekklesia, Delaware. We are an independent Bible study group, and we're inviting you to our sixth semi-annual Ekklesia workshop this coming weekend, July the 16th through the 18th. Our theme is going to be restoration, the way God wants it to be. Now, Friday evening, we'll begin our sessions at 6 o'clock. There'll be refreshments. At 6:30, we will start. We will have two very short sessions. And after the sessions, you will have a chance to discuss and ask your questions and make comments and share insights that you think are important that we all have. Then on Saturday morning, we come together again at 10 a.m. There will be a continental breakfast. And at 10:30, our sessions will begin again. Short sessions. And following the sessions, there will be question and answer and discussion time. And also there will be a time for you to just express yourself and make known what the things that you know about the scriptures, the word of the living God. Then on Sunday, our regular schedule is 10 a.m. There'll be a time for fellowship and refreshments. And then at 10:30, our worship session will begin. And following the worship session, there will be a celebration dinner. And once again, there will be no cost to you. We're covering the whole cost. We won't be able to keep doing this, but this time we'll cover the whole cost, and we will really appreciate you being present with us. We're at 1232 North King Street, side entrance on 13th Street, and you come to the third floor. Come in under the green canopy and come to the third floor. Now, if you're wondering what Ekklesia is, let me share. Ekklesia is a Greek word meaning the gathering of those summoned. This is the word used in the original Bible, which was later changed to another word which translates church, and it's an incorrect translation. The Ekklesia of Jesus Christ is a simple independent Bible study group where we study the scriptures as they were originally written without the many additions and subtractions that we've been taught and practiced over the centuries. We cordially invite you to come, learn, share, and grow with us from the Word of the living God. We hope to see you this weekend. We're going to have a wonderful time. And if you come, you will be our honored guests.